who loves keeping weirdest nicknames? Or do you have one? She does, huh? What does she call you?
Bablu, Babu,
Bablu Nath,
Bablu Lal, Chirkut.
Why Bablu?
Because she's from Jamna Bhai. That's why.
I'm not even saying which school. Every time ये combination से मैं मिलती हूँ मतलब amazing vibes आते हैं and suddenly I'm taken back into those days of Jamna Bai / Manik ji / common friends / there's so much that has happened in our lives. Shraddha Varun, welcome.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, but Jamna Bai was better than Manik.
Manik ji was way better. Guys.
Jamna Bai was
Manik ji was any day better in academics,
I knew it.
sports. We even dressed better.
No.
Listen, I just knew this is going to happen because off air, off whatever, you all have fought about this all your life. Okay?
We'll never stop fighting
We'll
about
never
it.
stop fighting about this, and it's so close to our film actually.
Now coming to the movie, I told you guys, मतलब when I saw the trailer, I was stumped, guys. मतलब तुम लोगों ने नाचा इससे पहले, but I think ये best dance रहा है, street dancer for both of you, at least I think so.
और आपकी आवाज से सच्चाई लग रही है.
वरुण जो है faint हो गया था set
a
पे.
night before. Basically, I was cutting. I went through a very harsh weight cut क्योंकि हम लोग ने एक schedule दुबई में किया था. So after coming back from there, I started eating and enjoying and everything. और हमारा एक गाना आना था, which is a very important song, especially for my character also in the film, जो stage पे होना था. So I wanted to look in really good shape. I had fallen unwell on the set, and yet I was doing some intermediate fasting and everything like that. I just collapsed. I remember at 3:30 at night, I blacked out for like a good 25-30 seconds.
This is crazy.
And then my parents, I think it was almost like, you know, you don't go to school. फिर parents ने phone किया, फिर
Yeah.
My God, this is very freaky.
Yeah.
But
I was very tired, I was very stressed. तो फिर रेमो सर ने बोला कि क्या कर रहे हैं यार तू, ऐसे मत ले stress, please. हम लोग सब खुशी फिल्म बना रहे हैं, and you don't have to be worried and this and that. And I was good.
and I totally believe that this film was actually for you, Shraddha. बहन ने जो मेहनत की है,
बहन ने
ये another
बहन ने
level है.
बहुत मेहनत की है हमारी बहन ने.
मतलब
बहना
कितने-
कैसे?
So what happened there? Diet was happening.
Only
Like,
for a few days, but
हाँ.
I'll tell you कि ये जो late entry हुई है मेरी इस film में, last minute entry, तो I have to say it was very very tough because तो rehearsal time चाहिए था वो नहीं मिला.
हाँ.
तो जितना वक्त था before shoot started, we had to just I had to rehearse because suddenly after ABCD2 इतने like for a few years I didn't dance. Then suddenly it's like I got a call from VD saying, you know, come on board this film, so can't say no to Remo sir. From ABCD2 हमें एक और ऊंचे लेवल तक जाना था. So through my ankles being strained, to my shin splint, to my neck being spasmed out and shoulders being spasmed out is how I have danced through this film. We've all had a physio on set. Everyone has
कुछ ना कुछ टूटा है basically.
needed that physio
हाँ.
through and through because we're dancing with professionals, and this time we have Nora, we have so many new additions, so everyone has to like put their
Best foot forward, quite literally.
So
Yeah.
it's been really difficult.
But quote unquote Remo, okay, he says 4 साल पहले की जोड़ी जिससे मैं मिला था, काम किया था, cut to after 4 years, ये तो अलग था यार. क्या अलग था? मतलब why was it completely different?
Because इसमें भी against each other.
Yeah.
हम लोग एक दूसरे के खिलाफ है.
हम अभी
Listen, we're not used to seeing that. Yeah,
I know,
No, but it's very
I'm already
interesting.
like hoping and
बहुत
wishing for the
interesting
ending.
है.
So that you see.
अभी भी जब वरुण and श्रद्धा साथ में आते हैं, मतलब it's a little crazy with the fans. Like they go mental, man. Like what is it? Do you have a hashtag yet?
We
Or
do,
are we
we
making
do,
it?
we do.
What is it?
Varshra.
Varshra.
Shra.
I thought it was
Varshra.
like Shrava.
No,
or
no,
something, you know,
That's a
that'd be
good one.
cooler.
That's a really
That's a good one.
unique
That's a
name.
Shrava.
That's a very-
Shrava. I like Shrava. It's
Shrava
got
is
a
good.
ring to it. I think
Sounds like an animal.
And listen, yeah, the dancing animal,
Yeah.
if we like to call it. Last time जब आप एक डांस फिल्म कर रहे थे, you were little bit given the benefit of doubt. कि चलो तुम डांस फिल्म कर रहे हो, थोड़ा हम हैंड होल्डिंग कर लेंगे. ये भी मुझे पता है from a lot of people who were involved in
In the
this movie
community.
कि this time you were just thrown into it.
Yeah.
Yes.
You were like भाई तुम as trained हो as a professional dancer, कूद जाओ मैदान में.
Yeah.
बिल्कुल.
तो मतलब क्या फटी नहीं? After that happened.
पूरी तरह से.
हाँ.
बट आई थिंक दैट यू नो इवन इन ABCD2 क्या हुआ था कि रेमो सर अगर एक बार बोल देते कि हो जाएगा तो यू हैव टू ट्रस्ट हिम,
हाँ.
एंड हिज एंटायर टीम, ऑल द डांसर्स, शेट्स, Rahul, Kruti, our choreographers, you know, when they feel कि हो जाएगा, then you have to trust them.
You know, हम लोग इन लोगों का नाम usually लेते नहीं है, but they are, and because ये एक music interview है, it's very important कि हम लोग इनको
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Then there's Kings United who's choreographed a song. There's We Unbeatable in the film. There's 13 by 13 crew.
Right.
There's Birdcage. मतलब there are crews from Chandigarh. मतलब I can't explain you the. अभी तक हम लोग ने सिर्फ 20% दिखाया है.
Okay, who takes the most number of retakes? He's just looking at
I know there was this one
Because
one
you know
sequence.
she asked me
अच्छा ये ठीक
to
था
ask them
मतलब
to
नहीं
give her an
समझी
extra take.
ये कैसे होता है
मतलब she tells me VD one more. Then I'll be sir one more. तेरे को एक और तुझे सर दे दो. मतलब
There was this one particular incident during Mukabla where I was like, please can we reshoot my very small bit, I have 5 seconds or something in it, but dancing with Prabhu sir.
It's like scary. I've
So
done it
I
once.
couldn't sleep that night that when we shot it because I was like, अच्छा बिल्कुल नहीं आया है. So I requested Remo sir and Prabhu sir was so sweet. He
but
was
say
like,
the amount of takes, no?
I don't know the number, but
36,
it was
37.
a lot
36,
of
37,
takes. He was so sweet, Prabhu sir. He was like, as many times as you want to do it till you are happy.
Yeah.
And I was
That's
like,
sweet.
He's too
coming from
यार
him,
who's the last to leave a party?
probably me from between us.
Yeah.
Really? I
Yeah.
thought it'd be you, VD.
No.
No?
I'm not. I feel sleepy.
But with our gang, with our street dancer gang, then both of us.
Both of
Then
you
both
are
of
For
us. Then
sure.
we are.
Killing it.
For sure.
I'll tell you an incident. I was in Nottingham and I had gone for a trance party with a friend of mine. First time he said, let's go for a trance party. And everyone wants to see a trance party. By the end, मैं सो गया था फ्लोर पे उधर क्योंकि ठंड थी and a lot of coats और लोग I woke up because someone stamped on me.
Who's always on the phone?
Nora.
Lizelle.
Nora and
Lizelle
Lizelle.
and Nora.
Lizelle and Nora.
उनके नाम का बिल हमने
Nora
खाया.
and Lizelle. ये please भेज दो इनको. Nora and Lizelle are always on the phone.
Okay, social media stalker कौन है?
Social media stalker.
Stalker.
सब है ना आजकल.
Currently, I'm following a lot on vegetarianism.
You've turned vegetarian क्या?
Yeah, new.
अरे
Just
ये नहीं
I'm
पता
just
था.
going to complete 6 months.
This is not bad, yeah. You just gave it up.
Yeah, but I don't know how long it'll last.
But 6 महीने is
because
good,
I've
yeah.
grown up eating like seafood, especially. But it feels good. It feels good.
Who is most likely to do drunk call or text?
I'm not saying I haven't done.
Yeah.
We've all done that.
Both of you
yeah,
have
yeah,
done
yeah.
I love you. I love you. I love you.
What?
That is his drunk call, guys. And he goes on. Okay, who loves keeping weirdest nicknames? Or do you have one? She does, huh? What does she call you?
She calls me Babuda.
क्या?
Lots of things.
Babuda?
Bablu, Babu,
Bablunat,
Babulal,
Babu.
Chirkut,
चिरकुट
I
मेरे को
call
पता
her.
है.
Chirkut I call her.
Babulal,
Chintakli.
Battuklal.
But ये कहाँ से आता है?
Chimney.
He is Battuk.
Chimney. What does your mom call you?
Chimney.
Chimney.
So
Which
cute.
means sparrow.
Sparrow, I
Sparrow.
know.
Chimney.
So cute. But why everything with B?
I don't know.
We don't know.
She
There's
likes
no-
this
there's no
letter,
trend.
huh?
Good point.
Yeah, everything is Bablu, Batuk.
Babalu.
Why Bablu? He
Because
doesn't
she's
look
from
like a
because she's from
Bablu, yeah.
Jamnabai. That's why.
I'm not even saying which school. Who makes plans and never turns up?
Shraddha.
No.
Always. You know what our plans are?
What?
Bablu, Bablunath, Babudu. We should go tonight. You're going. I'll also come with you. Yeah. Now I've got ready. Shraddha, so I'm leaving. I'll pick you up. You know I'm very lazy. I'm already in bed, yeah. हेमा मालिनी बन जाती है.
That one friend in every group is Shraddha Kapoor.
I said why? I didn't want to go. You forced me to go. Now I'm going. And you're not coming.
That's happened once.
This happens so many times. I can't. You Shraddha, you know how many times
Okay,
you do
twice,
this?
maybe.
Twice she's like Mandavli. Okay, who's most likely to get into a controversy? Who's controversial child?
Maybe me, but I don't really get because I speak sometimes and I don't word myself properly. But I don't think people really attack me much.
Yeah,
because
that's
they
true
feel
actually.
कि
Both
यार
of you.
ना
He's so
समझ.
lovable.
इतना
Yeah.
सारा trolling नहीं हुआ है
This is
life
a
में,
ना
अच्छी
समझ
बात
है ये.
है. कौन? Who's most likely to get married first?
Who's
The
most
M
likely to
words.
get married
First.
first? Probably.
Here comes the groom, here comes the groom, here comes the groom, comes the groom, comes the groom.
That killed it! That was amazing! When?
I don't know where that
I
came
would
from.
invite a Bombay Game Rich.
She'll be invited, probably.
Can I sing like
She'll
this?
be invited,
can't.
probably.
Here
he said.
comes the groom.
Don't make me open my mouth.
Okay.
She's like, oh, not
Sorry.
But can you see Varun Dhawan blushing? Listen, we can't wait for all those
It's not so
pictures.
big. Is it a big deal? I don't understand. why-
Listen, please, when a celeb gets married, na,
No, but why
everybody thinks
celeb
उनके
gets
घर
married?
पे-
When anyone gets married, it's a big deal.
नहीं,
No?
but you know, seriously.
Is it like normal लोग शादी करे तो अरे तुम celeb
this
नहीं हो
is
तो हम
just
लोग
a
celebrity
guess.
हैं।
नहीं, मैं
One
बोल रही
second,
हूँ.
yeah.
When you
Once
guys
I don't
get
know why you're
married,
blushing and all. It's just a guess. I've just हवे में said
no.
everything.
पता चला it's her date that comes out first. Full पोपट થઈ गई हूँ.
No, what I'm trying to say कि मतलब काफी normal है ना इंडिया में
अरे
तो
normal
रोज शादी हो रही
मैं
है।
बोल रही हूँ कि जब भी
बट ये
किसी
बर्थडे और शादी पे बहुत प्रेशर डालते हैं इंडियन।
बच्चा भी
क्यों?
but once you
हाँ,
actually
शादी के लिए बच्चा करो। अरे तुमको क्या हो रहा है? तुमको कुछ
basically
करना?
तुम मुझे बोलोगे कब मैं नेक्स्ट करूँ.
तुम करो ना वापस। तुमको इतना चाहिए तो तुम करते रहो। हमको क्यों बोल रहे हो?
Okay, we're happy with either of you getting married or not. It's okay. Moving on. Who's the Chupa Rustam? What?
I'll tell you.
Yeah.
He has
Actually,
made
no,
a group
one
on
minute.
set.
One
Can I
minute. No, that is
You
different.
made
but
a group
Chupa
on
Rustam-
WhatsApp.
See, you're not because eventually you tell me your secret.
I tell you
And then you tell me,
everything.
don't tell anyone, huh, VD, I'm telling you, but don't tell anyone, huh?
And then she tells everybody.
No, she doesn't.
Achha, then
We
it's
have some
okay.
secrets between each other. We have
Yeah. We
Yes.
do.
What
we
is
do.
his?
like career secrets and some.
Like nobody
Some
else knows.
personal
right?
secrets
Personal
also,
secrets.
but like it's like sealed.
Like,
But listen, before we end, I want to know in 4 years of you working together, फिर 4 साल पहले तुमने
हाँ,
साथ में
वैसा।
काम किया था, अब साथ में आ रहे हो. What
हाँ.
is that one thing you've noticed that has changed in each other? Shraddha, start about Varun first. क्या बदला है वरुण धवन
I
ने?
started showing my legs.
That's sexy legs he's wearing. एक तो ripped. I already checked him out. Check the boots, guys.
Serious calves, yeah.
यार.
What do you call calves in Hindi?
Calves वो नहीं पता.
No,
मैं तो
नहीं.
calves ही बोलती
Calves
हूँ.
को क्या
Calves को
बोलते
हिंदी
हैं?
में क्या बोलते हैं?
किसी को तो पता होना
कोई
चाहिए।
तो
यार।
होगा।
कोई तो बोलो.
शब्दकोश खोल
इसको
दो
क्या
कोई.
बोलते हैं हिंदी में?
Not
झांगे।
bad. चलो. And ये reference
Very
है.
good.
No.
झांगे.
झांगे thighs.
Oh,
अगर इधर लग गया और आपको अपने पत्नी को बोलना है मेरे को इधर लग गया क्या बोले घुटने के नीचे लग गया क्या
क्या?
पोट्री.
पोट्री
पोट्री
माझी पोट्री
पोट्री एकदम मस्त
पोट्री
है.
हाँ
पिंडली बहुत अच्छे हैं.
पिंडली let's not say
Too much.
please
Guys, this is too much.
calves क्या
पिंडली की मांसपेशियाँ
पिंडली की
पिंडली की मांसपेशियाँ बहुत ही अच्छे हैं.
Alliteration. I went back to my.
Sorry.
We have lost the plot today completely, but we are very excited. Street
Thank you.
dancer 3D. मतलब I have not seen so much excitement for a film in really
In a long time.
You know,
In a
like
long
there are very few films where people become a part of the movie.
Yeah. It's a
Like you
movement.
feel कि यार ये अपनी movie है. मतलब ये अपना वरुण धवन
It's a
है, अपना
movement.
श्रद्धा है. It's a movement. But guys, anything you want to tell the audience about the film? Come on, go.
जस्ट दैट ये फिल्म हमारे दिल के बहुत करीब है हम हर फिल्म के लिए बोलते हैं आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट बट नो बुलशिटिंग ऑनेस्टली दिस फिल्म इज रियली क्लोज टू आवर हार्ट एंड दिस इज वी आर अ फैमिली ऑल ऑफ
Yes,
अस
they're the most talented dancers, and we got a chance to dance with them. So watch them come alive
Live.
on the big screen. It's going to be an
Please.
amazing experience. They're fantastic.
एंड जामनगर नो वाग रेमो डिसूजा
Wow.
इज द डायरेक्टर
Love you guys, and you know that this comes from the
Love
heart.
you too.
All the best. Thank you so much. This was super fun.
Thank you.
Yeah, super.